JavaScript. JavaScript is a high-level programming language that is one of the core technologies of the World Wide Web. It is used as a client-side programming language by 97.8% of all websites. JavaScript was originally used only to develop web browsers, but they are now used for server-side website deployments and non-web browser applications as well. Python. Python is one of the most popular programming languages today, and it's easy for beginners to learn because of its readability. It is a free, open-source programming language with extensive support modules and community development. It is a popular programming language for machine learning and deep learning applications. Go. Go was developed by Google in 2007 for APIs and web applications. Go has recently become one of the fastest-growing programming languages due to its simplicity, as well as its ability to handle multi-core and networked systems and massive code bases. Java. Java is a multi-platform, object-oriented programming language that runs on billions of devices worldwide. It powers applications, smartphone operating systems, enterprise software, and many well-known programs. Kotlin. Kotlin is a general-purpose programming language originally developed and unveiled as Project Kotlin by JetBrains in 2011. The first version was officially released in 2016. It is interoperable with Java and supports functional programming languages. PHP. PHP is an open-source programming language created in 1990. Many web developers find it essential to learn PHP, as this language is used to build more than 80% of websites on the internet, including notable sites like Facebook and Yahoo. C#. Developed by Microsoft, C# rose to fame in the 2000s for supporting the concepts of object-oriented programming. It is one of the most used programming languages for the .NET framework. Anders Hejlsberg, the creator of C#, says the language is more like C++ than Java. Swift. Apple developed Swift in 2014 for Linux and Mac applications. A few years ago, Swift made the top 10 in the monthly TIOB index ranking of popular programming languages. R. The R programming language is an open-source scripting language for predictive analytics and data visualization. Ruby. Ruby is an interpreted, high-level, general-purpose programming language. It was designed with an emphasis on programming productivity and simplicity. In Ruby, everything is an object, including primitive data types. It was developed in the mid-1990s by Yukihiro Matsumoto in Japan. C and C++. C is probably the oldest and popular programming language, and is the root of other programming languages such as C#, Java, and JavaScript. C++ is an enhanced version of C. Many developers today skip learning C on its own, while others think learning C first provides a valuable foundation for C++ development. Both languages are widely used in computer science and programming. Matlab. Matlab is a proprietary programming language owned by MathWorks and originally released in the mid-1980s. It is built specifically for use by scientists and engineers. Typescript. Typescript is a programming language developed by Microsoft that adds static typing with optional type annotations to JavaScript. It is designed for the development of large applications and transpiles. Scala. Scala is a strong, statically typed, high-level, general-purpose programming language that supports both object-oriented programming and functional programming. SQL. SQL is a standard database query language. It is used to access and manipulate data in databases, and it is the world's most widely used database query language. HTML. HTML is the standard language for creating web pages and applications. HTML is used to create web pages. You can use HTML to add images, links, and other types of content to your web page. HTML is a simple programming language. You don't need to know much about it to create a basic web page. CSS. CSS, Cascading Style Sheets, is a style sheet language used to describe how a page that was produced in a markup language is presented. A style sheet, which is a set of rules for web browsers, can control an HTML or XML. NoSQL. NoSQL databases are non-relational databases designed to provide high performance and scalability. And NoSQL databases are often used in big data applications, where data is distributed across many nodes. Rust. Rust is a programming language designed to be safe, concurrent, and practical. It is a systems programming language that runs blazingly fast, prevents seg faults, and guarantees thread safety. Perl. Perl is a high-level, general-purpose, interpreted dynamic programming language. Though Perl is not officially an acronym, there are various backronyms in use.